Hey, Vin here. Welcome to Sojern. This is our Omaha location. Can't wait to show you around. Let's go. This is our welcome area where visitors come to be greeted. While they wait, they can check out some of our awards or our mascot, Sojourno. Here at Sojern, we have an open work environment to promote collaboration and communication. Here are our account managers. In Omaha, we have over 50 conference rooms, ranging from individual to large group meetings. What we love about our conference rooms are that they're named after various neighborhoods in Omaha. Need a break from your desk? We have these comfortable areas that you can come hang out. Feeling creative? We have this wonderful coloring wall that has different landmarks of Omaha. Fun fact, Sojern was founded in Omaha in 2007. This is my favorite part of the office, our 4,000 square foot break room, which consists of a fully stocked fridge, a snack bar, and endless supply of coffee. Need a break? We encourage everyone here at Sojern to come play ping pong or shuffleboard. Something we're super proud of are the 3 private rooms for our moms. All of our meeting rooms come equipped with video conferencing so that you can easily collaborate with teammates across the world. Sojern is headquartered in San Francisco. We have over 300 employees worldwide, ranging from London to Dubai to Singapore and beyond. Here in Omaha, we have over 120 employees. Oh yeah, did I mention there's a gym? There's also a gym you can use before work, during your lunch break, after work, or whenever you please. Thank you for stopping by and checking out the Omaha location. Hope to see you soon. Bye.